Everybody, we are doing some creek fishing today, so I'm about to get this bait in the water. We got about 3 hours to hopefully get that bass trifecta on. That's my goal today: a spot, a largemouth, and a smallmouth. We'll see if anything's biting. We're going to start out with that Zman DieZel minnow. Now I have a love-hate relationship with these, because they're hard to fix on that jig head, but once you do have them on there, they're not going anywhere. That looks good enough for me. That'll do. Finally. Welcome to the show. Pretty one. All right, my friends, our first fish, a beautiful ice cold spotted bass. Thanks, buddy. We just picked that up on our 4-inch curly tail grub. Got that rigged on a 1/8 ounce jig head. We're using 6-pound line and a really cool combo, this Daiwa black label. I think these fish are really lethargic. I have been out here a hot minute. Changed up baits several times. Dragging this grub is the one thing that has gotten me a bite. And it just got us another one. There we go. Come on, then, back to back. How about that? Another pretty spot. Oh, decent size. Try not to get hooked. That's a decent one. I'll show y'all. Pretty red eye. All right, guys, so our second beautiful fish. Look at this gorgeous spotted bass. They are very cold. Let me get this back in the water and I'll get back to you. Thank you. So I have been throwing around a couple paddle tails, using heavier gear. I switched up to a medium light with a 1/8 ounce jig head, and I've been dragging a 4-inch curly tail grub, and that seems to be the only way I can get these guys on. I tried a lipless, tried several different techniques, but looks like we're figuring them out. Hopefully I'll catch a couple more. I have been here about an hour without so much as a bite. All right, well, we do have about 2 hours left. Let's see if we can get another grub out that patch. I mean, get another bass from out that patch we just pulled those two out. Awesome. I'm not even gonna throw this on my medium. We'll just stick with this. Hopefully we can handle it. Maybe I'm gonna work out my drag. All right, that is 3 in a row. So let the current help us out here. From about an hour of catching nothing, it's 3 beautiful fish back to back. Look at that largemouth. Beautiful. All right, biggest one yet. Got a little lipstick on her. All right, guys, really pretty largemouth. Things are turning around. That is crazy. 3 fish, 3 casts. I've been out here about an hour. Just changed up my bait, and that seems to be the move. We'll get her back in. We'll keep going at it. Good fish. Oh yeah, that's a good. There you have it, fellas. What's been hitting us? Always spin it last minute. Alright, my friends, so the fish that has been continuously hitting us, I knew we were getting hit. Felt kind of like almost snags. I bring him in a little bit and he'd fight like a log. I got him in the corner of the mouth, so probably why he was fighting that way. I was almost dragging him sideways. Great looking fish though, look at her. There she goes. Not in a hurry to go anywhere either. Well, pretty stellar day. That was a nice surprise catch. Got him. Oh, big one. Big one. Maybe not that big. Oh, lost him. Dude. Big hit. Alright, we have to make sure he doesn't go up in these trees. Oh, buffalo, I think, or catfish, I can't really tell yet. Buffalo. We just gotta tire this guy out. I do only have 8-pound on, and these fish can fight, man. Take it. Take as much as you want. He hit that bait hard. But I got a feeling you're not done yet. Alright guys, well, it is certainly the witching hour. We have about an hour left here and we're getting hit by these beautiful fish. Oop. So here we have our smallmouth buffalo. And that lightning is not that great, but I don't want to handle this fish too much. I think I got a pretty good image on the other camera. I'm gonna get her back in real quick. She's out of there. Giving us a run. Giving us a run for our money out here on that 8-pound line. I probably should retie. Whew. Got a largie, a spot, a buffalo, a gar. What's next? Maybe nothing, maybe something. Let's do a little time check. We got an hour. Stellar, man. Here we go. Another buffalo, man. I don't know, I think we might have follow hooked this one. No, I think he's got it by the mouth. I think they're just stacked up in there. Oh, he ate it. Look at the size of that one. Oh, God. That's a strong fish. Dang.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, I managed to get this one on camera. It's a buffalo.
All right, guys, look at the size of this buffalo. Man, they are hungry. It just sucked down that paddle tail and they are smacking the heck out of it, man. Beautiful fish. So this is the biggest one I've ever caught. You can see the size of it right there. Gorgeous. I'm gonna get her back in. We got about a half hour or so. I think this one's picture worthy though. Oh. You know what? Got it on video, that's good enough. Let's get her back in. That was a hard fight. I don't want to put too much strain on her. And off she goes. That's 2 buffalo, a gar, 3 bass. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I had a great time doing it, catching some beautiful fish and some big ones too. I'll see y'all next time. Take care of yourselves, take care of each other, and get some good fish on, my friends.